Want to create a collaborative post on Instagram? Then you're on the right video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into Instagram. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this plus icon at the top left corner. And then you need to click on post. Once clicked on it, select any of the photo or the video that you want to post as a collaborators. Once selected, click on next. Once the photos has been uploaded here at the bottom, you can use all of these features. Once used, tap on next. So right here you can see if you scroll down, there is no any option in order for you to add a collaborators. Even if you move into more options, there is no any feature of collaborators. So all you gotta do is you need to go back and then simply click on share at the bottom of the screen once you're ready to post. Wait for a while for it to upload it on your feed. Once uploaded, head over to your profile. Scroll down and move into the post. Click on this three dot icon right over here. Tap on edit. Now at the top you can see the option where it says add collaborators. Click on it. Now from here you can invite the collaborators. Search for the specific person that you want to collaborate this picture with. Once you found their profile, click on it. Now if you click on done at the top right corner, the invitation of collaborators will be sent to this person. And once they accept the request, you both will be creating a collaborative post, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.